Did I really just change shirts? Yes, I did.
You probably don't know me.
Hey, you probably don't know me, but my name's Sabril, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I post beauty, lifestyle, and digital art like videos, so if that's what you're into, please do not hesitate to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you're notified about all new videos, future videos. And I'm back again. Totally a different day than my last video or whatnot, right? Yeah, I just did go wipe off all that makeup that I just put on a second ago. And if you have yet to even see that video, what are you doing? Go watch it. Go. But anyways, just the other night I had these two crazy ideas of doing a face full of eyeshadow. Go watch it, by the way. I don't know what you're still doing here. And doing the one dip challenge. Now, if you don't know what the one dip challenge is, it's basically a challenge in which you dip in your makeup tool into whatever makeup product you are using, and whatever amount you get in that one dip is what you're allowed to use. Which sounds easy enough considering I don't really use that much makeup on an everyday basis or anything like that. So, but then again, sometimes I like to even up how much product I have on my face or whatever. Alright, I got my little ears up, and as always, we're gonna start with moisturizer. Alright, I use the Pond's Dry Skin Cream Moisturizer for my skin. I tend to have very dry skin, so this is a moisturizer that works best for me. I've tried other ones like that Septil, that one moisturizer one time. I tried it because I heard a lot of good reviews about it, but I think I'm allergic to one of their ingredients. Oh my gosh. Which I obviously forgot that I was allergic to whatever they have in their product, like whatever, I don't know, they have this ingredient they use in that product that I'm allergic to, and I completely forgot about that when I put it on, that same moisturizer on again for my graduation. If you haven't seen that vlog video, you should probably check that out too. My skin puffed up and reminded me again that I'm allergic to whatever ingredient they use in that product. Thankfully, I discovered Pond's right after, and it's been working so great for me. It hydrates my skin the whole day. It's been working really well. So, definitely recommend this if you have very dry skin like I do. Alright, so now primer. I still have yet to go to the store and buy a full size primer. So the only primer I have is my Rare Beauty sample primer. So let's see how much it has. I mean, I don't really use that much either way, so hopefully, ooh, y'all see that? Ah, that's it. Okay, cool. That's enough. That's good for me. All right, so I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, go here, and I'm gonna just put it with my fingers. I like putting on my primer and moisturizer with my fingers. I just feel like it spreads easier and more evenly like that. Alright, I hope that's enough. Oof, my skin feels so hydrating with this primer. Okay, so that one's easy enough. Now, foundation. Previously, I mentioned I don't usually wear foundation for everyday base. My skin tone has to be pretty evened out. I usually just wear a BB cream to, I don't know, if I feel like in the mood for foundation but I don't have foundation, that's what I do. Wear a BB cream, which I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna wear this BB cream. It's the only one I have on me right now. It's the Maybelline New York Dream BB Pure 8-in-1 Beauty Glam. Yeah. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on my palm and just slur whatever it's on there. Ooh. Okay, I think that's good. That's enough, right? Ah, hopefully it doesn't fall. Got my wet sponge. I probably did this wrong. Oh well. I'm gonna go. Ooh, look at that. Wait, is that all I'm allowed to get? That was the one dip. Alright. That's what I get for saying I don't wear too much, and now I need probably a bit more than this, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, what's left, up, down. I'm kind of upset on myself for wasting so much. Bro, you just explained the rules. Why didn't you think about this? Luckily, I have some left right there on my nose. Just one. Alright, now I gotta wipe this off. So annoyed that I did not. So much product wasted right there. Now I'm gonna go in for my eyebrows. Alright, so I'm gonna use my usual Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyebrow gel in the shade deep brown. I think the number is 380 deep brown. Oof, this will be hard. I'm going and dip. I'm trying to like play around with it so it dips a lot. There you go. There's my one. Look at the hole I created. You see that? Alright, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. And go in here. So usually I just try to outline my eyebrow a bit. So with tip, I'm gonna go in lightly, like that. Maybe a little darker. And then from here in the middle, in the bottom, but like kind of the middle, I go up. So I go and outline that arc. You see that? So since I still there goes my perfectly good clean shirt. Give me a moment. I want to clean the shirt off. I'm back. I probably made that worse. This is what. Oh well. Alright, you can't see on camera, so it's fine. Again, the eyebrows. Alright, so I already outlined this side, so I gotta outline the other side. I think they look good. So, there you go. Whew, eyebrows done. Alright, so on my last video, I went a little more out of my comfort zone and did more of a red, orange, yellow eyeshadow tone for my eyes. But today I think I'm gonna go a little more towards my usual, which is using my mini controversy and my one Kylie Cosmetic palette. So I'm gonna use this weird tipped brush, angled brush, and go in with Dyed Root here. But this one usually I go in and dip it there. I don't recall if did I really not dip in. I'm gonna go in with my one Walgreens dual brush and use the fluffy side to blend that out and put it more into my crease. So hopefully my small eyes don't look so small and they look a little wider than they usually are. I just forgot to prime my eyelids. Damn it. Oh well, it's fine. Whatever. I usually prime my eyelids with concealer, my Maybelline concealer, but this time I did not because I forgot. So we'll see how long this eyeshadow lasts today. Now, the You're So Money Baby from Kylie Cosmetics. It has like pretty glitters. And I'm gonna first go in with the blue faces. I just double dipped. That's not fair, bro. I gotta get rid of this. I keep forgetting that this is the one dip challenge. Therefore, I can only dip once. So I'm gonna clean this off. Again. Go in. Get the blue space. Just a bit. See, this counts, right? And I'm gonna just put it here on this outline right here. Because my eyes, again, are small. So whenever I try to like layer up, it just creases on the top. And at the end of the day, it does not, it usually just doesn't appear really color. So Maybe I just haven't learned the right technique for my eyes, but this is what I do. Okay, so now what I do, I'm gonna go in with the Time is Money, the shiny one. Really go in there. And that's the only amount of product I'm allowed to use. And just put it on the corner of my eyes to like brighten them up. Yeah. Ojitos, ojitos. Alright, so now I'm going with lip glitter. And the best way to use our products tend to be with your fingers, especially the glitters. I just noticed it's just better that way. Then I'm going with Ball and Babe, this shiny goldish one. My fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all I'm allowed to use. And I'm gonna just go here. Okay, so it's right there. You can barely see it. So now I'm gonna go more in with the Birthday Queen. It's a darker shade. Really get some. Oof, I got a lot more. Oof, got a lot more there. Bang! Look at that. Sparkles. And now eyeliner. I like to double dip a lot on my eyeliner, but today I can only dip once. So, alright, here goes. Whatever I get out from this little is what I'm allowed to use. This one's gonna be a little tough. No! Oh, no! Damn it. Okay. That's what we get today. Yes! Come on! I'm upset. I didn't get my wing. It just looks like I have a dark. It looks like I went out drinking and I came back with no wings. What are we gonna do? Alright, now blush. I think I'm gonna go with peach. With this peach tone today. What it's called Beam. Sorry. So I'm gonna use my Cloud Paint. I'm gonna use the Cloud Paint Beam blush. And basically whatever I dip into this finger, it's what I'm allowed to use. So, oops. There. That's what I'm gonna use. As always, I smile when I do my blush. Don't judge me. Okay, and go off. You go. Probably got way too much. I'm already failing at this challenge, I know. And just go. How do we see a difference? I see a difference though. Should I count? Now, highlighter. This is the only highlighter product I have. This is what I'm gonna use. What I'm gonna do is get my pinky and just do this. That counts as one dip. And that's a generous one dip actually. That's a lot. 1, 2. Oof. So on my last video, I said how I don't really contour my face. I don't generally do, but ever since seeing how that came out, ever since seeing how that came out, I kind of want to give it another go on this one. Alright, so I do have this matte bronzer from NYX, so that's what I'm gonna use. We'll see how this goes. Alright, like I said, I don't usually contour my face. I'm shocked it came out, like I noticed different on the last one. So we'll see how it comes out right now. Alright? Again, one dip, bro. One dip. So here goes. Do it for la camera. That's my one dip I'm allowed to use. I'm gonna go here, here, up here, do a little, and then right here, I'm gonna just go. Okay, I put way too much. No. I have too much on this side. You see, I have a lot more on this side. Okay, look, here, up here, I see the difference. You see that? I see the difference. I know I put a lot up down here. But we are in a pandemic and we use masks. So that's okay, because no one will see that part. Alright, whatever. Okay, cool. Woo! Alright. Lately, I like using different color lipsticks, lip creams, so whatnot, especially because we're using masks. No one really sees how like bold it is or anything like that, so I like experimenting. So that being said, I'm gonna go in with my gloss from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and whatever comes out from this little is what I'm gonna use. If you're wondering if the only reason why I bought this was because it was purple and it had a tint of purple, you are not wrong. Alright, so here goes. This is what I'm gonna use. There it is. Probably clashes with my eye look, but it's cool. Alright, so this is a look. Let me know what you think on the comments below. If I failed, if I passed, if you're just like, cool, you know what, I just like how you did your makeup. Let me know. I had a good time trying out this challenge. If you'd like to see more, please do not hesitate to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on to be notified of all future videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!